We've got some sunshine out there. We broke those clouds apart late in the afternoon, or middle of the afternoon, I'd say, in a lot of spots. So we're having a nice late afternoon into the early evening. It took a while to get there. We've got some showers and storms that are just slowly sinking south here, just south of Farmington into Rumford as well. So we'll see how these do as they go downhill. They look a little bit weaker to me even over the last couple of frames. So I think we're going to have a hard time getting them all the way to the coastline. And the models do peter those out over the next hour or so. We're partly cloudy through the rest of the first half of this evening. Then later tonight, we bring those clouds back on shore and they thicken up in a lot of spots by early tomorrow morning. So that's where we are to start tomorrow morning. We're cloudy. Temperatures are in the 60s, a lot like we started today. The question is, how do we do burning the cloud cover off tomorrow? I think it will be more of a fight than it was today. Best chance will be the mountains, northern Maine, western Maine, and New Hampshire. And then we'll try to kind of shrink that cloud bank as the day goes on. And you can see this model is not optimistic. It is one of the cloudier models, though. A lot of them have some breaks along the coast in the afternoon. So we'll say there will be some breaks, but I think mostly we're going to do better away from the coastline. Clouds come back in tomorrow night. We do it again on Sunday. Start with clouds, onshore flow, maybe some fog, and then we burn those clouds off in the afternoon. Temperatures in the 70s, some low 80s. But the cloud cover is going to, of course, correspond to our temperatures. So if we don't clear out, it'll only be in the low 70s. If we do, we'll be in the low 80s. So that makes a big difference there. Cloudy on Monday with some showers and thunderstorms Monday afternoon. That actually ushers in warmer air Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Upper 80s to around 90, depending on your location. Away from the coast is likely a bit warmer than along the coastline. So we could have an official heat wave, which is 3 days of 90 or above. But it's worth noting, even this weekend when it's not that hot, it's sticky, stays sticky into next week, and it starts to feel different when you add those warm temperatures on top of it. I'm not entirely sure what the hottest day is. It's probably Wednesday, but if we hold the front long enough, it could be Thursday. Usually, not always, but usually it's the last day before a cold front comes through in that scenario that's the hottest, because you're kind of building warmth, right?
Okay.
You'll get those overnight lows that are near 70, so that helps build some warmth. It makes it easier to start there. So
yes, it does.
keep an eye on that. See, hopefully we can get some more sunshine over this weekend. I just want to keep expectations reasonable as to what that cloud cover does.
But as we said, as long as it's dry and you can get outside and do some of those things, like, for example, mowing the lawn.
Which it
huge.
Yes, it should be, yep.
And we'll get some beach days in between.
Yeah, we'll get there.
All right, thanks, Keith.